Airbus has delivered the third C-295 transport aircraft to the Indian Air Force. French firm Dassault Aviation has announced that it has a full order book of Rafale fighter jets for the next 10 years. India and France will begin final contract negotiations on the 26 Rafale Marine fighter jets for the Indian Navy on 30th May. IIT-Kanpur has inaugurated a new DRDO-Industry-Academia Center of Excellence at its campus for interdisciplinary research in next-generation defense technologies. India's NIBE Limited has entered into a business agreement with Thales USA for design, manufacturing, installation and supply of MM-700 TACAN equipment and other services to Indian Navy. The DRDO has successfully developed a high-resolution expand synthetic aperture radar for Dornier 228 aircraft that will deliver real-time day and night intelligence to decision-makers. The Indian Army is all set to receive almost 8,000 AK-203 rifles manufactured at the Crore plant next month. Bharat Electronics has awarded a contract to Bengaluru-based Axiscades for the supply of 8 radar processing systems for the Arudhra Medium Powered Radar system at a cost of 90 crore rupees. Hindustan Aeronautics showcased its indigenization efforts in manufacturing of aviation accessories to the senior officers of the Indian Air Force. India and Romania held a defense seminar in Bucharest that led to interest on transfer of technology from state-owned Romania company to an Indian company for a critical technology, opening avenues for continued dialogues. A high-level French team will arrive in New Delhi tomorrow, and the French Defense Ministry and Dassault Aviation officials would meet with Indian Defense Ministry counterparts and members from the Defense Acquisition Wing and the Indian Navy to begin official negotiations in the 26 Rafale Marine fighter jet deal for the Indian Navy. The government has said that they will now go in for tough negotiations in the deal with French government officials and would try to complete negotiations with France and sign the agreement by the end of this financial year. A Tejas Limited Series production aircraft took off from INS Hansa base in Goa and conducted a planned calibration sortie at night near India-Pakistan border. The border region has a complex electronic environment due to the presence of military radars and communication systems that provides a valuable testing ground for the various sensors, including radar, electronic warfare suite and other mission-critical systems, and evaluate its capabilities in a strategically significant location. Indian Air Force officials are pushing for a fast-track approach in the MRFA program, with the issuance of acceptance of necessity and financial backing later this year. The MRFA program is seen as a catalyst for developing a robust private sector-led production line and ecosystem, as the Ministry of Defence has also expressed a preference for a private sector consortium to lead AMCA production, while HAL will have minority involvement. Private sector companies are looking to the MRFA program as a platform to gain experience and skilled manpower before joining the AMCA program. The United Kingdom has once again reignited its efforts to bring India on board as a partner in the development of the 6th-generation Tempest fighter jet program, with a target first flight by 2035. Currently, both Italy and Japan have expressed a strong desire for India's participation, as it will significantly reduce the program's estimated cost of $32.5 billion. Rolls-Royce, which is a key player in Tempest program, has also been vying for India's involvement, as it has already offered its engine technology for AMCA Mark II 5.5 generation fighter program. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.